ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು.
Only Guruji. Sir, Guruji, please come.
1 second, sir.
Boss, camera.
1 second, sir. 1 second, sir. Yes, sir. 1 second, sir.
I want to share with you. I'm Buddhist. Buddhism and Hinduism, like twin brothers and sisters. We have some very special sort of clothes. And in fact, practice of shamatha, practice of shila, practice of parija, common. Both. The difference is atma, anatma. That's the difference. That's private business. Person who wants is atma. I believe that. Person who believes anatma, I believe that. But others also. Main practice shila, samadhi, praja, same. And then India, Bharat, I think home of all major religions of the world. So, see, we live together in harmony. That's really another country. Oh, this is something really good example to the rest of the world. While, oh yes, while conflict in the name of religion, then this India, how many old harmony is very, very essential. Those people learn India's tradition. That's so, otherwise, peace, appreciation, and respect. Which sort of Hindu tradition I come here, I always pay high respect to church, Christian, mosque, Islam, and a synagogue, Jewish. So like that. So I'm very, very happy. So like that. Very good. Now differences he have this one. I have no. Thank you. Thank you.